LOL fans, or mothers of the LOL fans. So I'm going to try and show you how to make this little dress, which, while looking at it, looks a little bit like an Irish dancing costume. What I wanted to do was I wanted to make an LOL dress that didn't need a button or a buttonhole, because they are so tiny. So what I did was, it's actually like a little wraparound dress. So it's got 3 armholes, and I'm just going to make the pattern slightly different. I'm going to make one less shell on the end, because it just makes the dress a little bit bulky. And it's actually really simple to do. And I'm going to use red embroidery thread, some diamonds, and they're already sticky on the back, a 2mm crochet hook. I'm going to start off by making a slip knot, and chaining 13. 1, 2, and 13. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into making the armholes. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So not the chain on the hook and not the one nearest the hook, but the next one along. And I'm going to do a double crochet into that stitch, using American terms. Quite hard, tricky to do with the embroidery thread. It's so fine. And then I'm going to chain 2 for the armhole. I'm going to skip 1 chain, and into the next 4 chains I'm going to do 1 double crochet. 1, into the next one, a double crochet, into the next one, double crochet, and into the 4th one on that line, a double crochet. So I'm now going to make my second armhole. 1, 2, and 3, and you should have 2 chains left. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet. I'm going to skip 1 and 1 double crochet into the last chain. So what I do next then is I chain 1 and turn my work. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and 2 single crochets into the chain 2 spaces. 1 and 2, so that's 3. Then 1 into the next 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So you should have 6 single crochets. 2 into the next chain 2 space, 6, 7, and 8. 1 into each of the next 4 double crochets, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. 2 into the next chain 2 space, 13, 14, and into the last one, 15. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch across. 1, so that's 2 into each stitch. I have changed my hook because my other hook bent, so I hope you can see this one okay, because it's red as well. So you're going to do 2 single crochets into each stitch across until you come to the end of the 3 double crochets at the back of the dress, and you're going to stop there. And so do 2 in each, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. 1, 2, 3. So I've come to my last single crochet, and you're going to see that that's at the end of the back. The 3 double crochets, the 3 double crochets at the back of the dress are here. Now, just because we're doing little fans that need 5 stitches each, I'm going to just do 1 more single crochet in the next stitch, and that'll make 25 single crochets. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to turn my work, and now we're going to do these little fan clusters. You skip 1 single crochet, and into the next single crochet you're going to put 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 5. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 single crochets, and you're going to slip stitch in the 3rd single crochet along. So slip stitch, and that will be your first fan. Now again, you're going to skip 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch you're going to do 5 double crochets, all into the same stitch. And 5. And you're going to skip 2 single crochets and slip stitch into the next stitch. So you now have 2 fans made. And you're going to do this 3 more times across to the end. And if there is anything I'm confusing you with or you don't understand, you can write in the comment box and I will get back to you. I'm going to put 5 doubles in the next stitch. And 2, and I'll just meet you at the end of these clusters. Now have your 5 clusters, your 5 shells done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1, cut my thread, pull it through, and I'm now going to weave my thread both sides, this piece and this piece, into my dress, just to make it really nice and tidy. So your little wraparound dress is nearly finished, and all I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick diamonds on it. You don't have to, obviously, but I just think they make it really nice. 1, 2, and if you like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. So just sticking those on there, and probably to make them more secure you could probably use some gem glue, but these are kind of sticky anyway. So this is your little dress complete, and then all you have to do is put it on your doll. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the front on first, onto this wee doll. 1, 2, and the 3rd armhole just loops over the back like that. And that is your LOL's doll's dress. Very pretty, very simple, and very quick. Thank you for watching.